Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we will show you how to use FlexClip's chart feature. On the editing page, find the chart option in the Elements section. Click See All, and you'll see all kinds of chart samples, including bar, line, pie, radial, funnel, and area. Select a proper sample and click to open it. On the new window, you can choose other chart samples as well. Below the chart, you can turn on or turn off options to show or hide some information. On the right side, you can choose to use the sample data or import a table file from your computer. Double-click the table to type words and data freely. Click the arrow icon, you can show the data in a different way. Click Chart Settings. Here, you can choose one of the preset styles to give your data a better appearance. To adjust the chart color, you can click the Theme button to select a preset style or click Color Panels to manage it manually. Next, edit the texts for legend, label, and axis, including the font, text size, color, etc. You can click to apply or hide the chart animation and drag the slider to set the animation duration. Also, there are different advanced features for different charts. For example, with the line chart, you can freely adjust the chart point size and the line weight. You can find the redo and undo options in the top left corner. Once finished, click to apply this chart. On the canvas, double-click the chart or click the Edit button on the top left corner, and you can open the settings page. You can drag the border to adjust the chart size. Adjust the opacity of the chart, and choose suitable animations. On the timeline, you can adjust the duration of the chart element. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.